Whoa, guys, finally we get some chicken. Looking at that.
Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. I call my mama in the middle of the night. I be like, Mama, I need some chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about some chicken wings.
Wow! Oh my God, that chicken was good, bruh. That is a good chicken. Oh, I like that chicken. Whoa, it wasn't too salty. It wasn't too spicy. You understand what I'm saying, right? That was the best chicken ever, bruh. I love this kind of chicken, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Well done, well cooked. I know who fried that chicken. You know what I mean? That guy who fried that chicken, I mean, he loved chicken just like me, bruh. A lot of people, when they fry chicken, you see the chicken like salty.
Yeah, last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. I call my mama in the middle of the night. I be like, Mama, I need some chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about some chicken wings. Yeah, I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that YouTube. What the fuck you say you want to fuck up my sisters? I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that YouTube. What the fuck you say you want to fuck up my sisters?
Very nice, man. One of the best chicken ever, bruh. I love the season. Everything good. You know what I mean? Wow. I love it. You're gonna keep seeing that chicken on my plate over and over again, bruh. This kind of chicken, I'm going to the same place, you know, to get more chicken. You're gonna keep seeing that on my plate because I love those kind of stuff, though. I love those good stuff. Sometimes when I buy chicken, they fucked up the season. Sometimes they're too salty, they're too spicy. They don't fry them well, man.
Yo, I don't care about you. All I care about my fried chicken, my fried fish, my grilled fish, my hot bitches, my white tea. Goodbye, nigga. All I care about make money. Make money. I'm talking about make money. You better eat it. Yeah, I am the call man. You better think about me when you sleep, nigga. Yeah, you better think about me when you drink, nigga. Yeah, I don't care what you say. You better think about me when you sleep, nigga. Yeah, I am the call man. Yo, I wake up in the morning, I be like, Mama, where's my breakfast? I wake up in the morning, I be like, sister, where's my breakfast? Everybody look at me crazy. I don't care, man. I am the comment.
Beautiful, guys.
Yeah, last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. I call my mama in the middle of the night. I be like, Mama, I need some chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about some chicken wings. Yeah. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. I call my mama in the middle of the night. I be like, Mama, I need some chicken wings. last night. I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about some chicken wings. Yeah, I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that YouTube. What the fuck you say you want to fuck the my sixes? I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that woman. I work hard for that YouTube. What the fuck you say you want to fuck the my sixes?
Please, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Wow. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. All right. More stuff is coming out. Just go ahead and subscribe. I think I have enough. All right, I'm going to throw that away. I think I have enough. That's enough. That was a lot of food. All right, guys, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm out, guys. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, my name is the Carmen of Kentucky. I'm the only one trying to keep my car clean. Guys, I'm gonna make sure I send a video every day. I'm gonna do it non-stop. You're gonna get a video every day. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna let them keep coming. You know what I'm saying? They're not gonna stop for now. Not for now. They will never stop. Yeah, they will never stop, not for now. They will never stop. All I do eat. You know what I'm saying? I'm a busy man. I work like 12-hour shift. Yeah, I'm very busy, but if I'm not doing anything though, I just show you what I do, man. I just eat, sleep, work. That's it. That's what I do, man. I just eat, sleep, work. That's it, though. You know, that's it. I don't have a lot of time for myself. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. And I see people like the way I eat. The people appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's a good thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? I have to take my time and tell a lot of people about me, man. My name is DeCarmen, y'all. Nice to meet you, though. Nice to meet you, though. My name is DeCarmen. Nice to meet you. What's up, girl? My name is DeCarmen of Kentucky. What up? Can I get your number? She looking at me. She say, I'm not gonna give my number to a stranger. I said, I'm not a stranger. You can give me your number. I promise I'm gonna take you home. We're gonna make that bed rock. Believe me, I can do that. I can make you bed rock. I can make my bed rock. I put it into the sheet and cover this click. And then I click. I'm out. The Carmen of Kentucky. I'm the only guy here though. I'll see you in the next one.